Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope Aries, March 21 to April 19. Today is April 16, 2024, Tuesday. Our horoscope for the day revolves around the Four of Swords. You must find home. You must find your camaraderie. Never be contented with your very own self. You need others. We are all born social beings, so we need company. We need someone else to talk with, to be friend with, or the otherwise. But there and then, you must be very, very cautious about how do you stand in your society. Do they like you, or do they hate you? That is why we always say the good human dynamics. Don't be the source of pain in the ass situation. Be very accommodating, and not only that, not assuming, or tend to be more friendly than you were before. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito, araw ng 16 ng Abril 2024, ay tungkol sa 4 de Espada. Ikaw ba ay nararapat manirahan sa iyong lugar? Mahal ka ba ng mga tao doon? O ikaw ba ay may ginagawang kasalbahihan sa iyong kapwa? Handa ka na bang makipag-ugnayan sa iyong kapwa-tao? Meron ka ba nun? O ikaw ay suplada-supladito na kinayayamutan ng iyong mga kapitbahayan o ng mga simpleng taong kakilala ka? Ngayon, magsimula ka ng panibago. Matuto kang makibagay, matuto kang ang iyong sitwasyon ay hindi ikaw yung hari, hindi ikaw yung reyna. Pakibagayan mo lahat.